Hey, it's Garfield, and I'm here again at Ashley Furniture HomeStore with the amazing retail store associate Amanda, who's going to be taking us for a stylish walkthrough. Right, Amanda?
Yes, that's right, Garfield. Today we'll be highlighting some of our brand new arrivals, back in stock pieces, as well as our discounts of up to 40% off from now until the end of October.
Sounds too good to be true. Let's see what we have in store.
Come on.
So we're now onto the bedroom, which is like for everybody, including myself.
Yes.
The day literally starts and ends here. So Amanda, tell us what it is that we're looking at for this bed.
So this is the Malarkin bedroom set. And for this piece, as you can see, it's new tradition. It's light wood that complements any bedroom space.
Yeah.
It is timeless, so it refines the space that it is in. So you find that whichever room, whether it's the master room or the guest room, it blends with whatever color, because as I said, it's a timeless piece.
You know, realizing it's very different having that
Yes.
headboard. So what I realized is that it literally anchors the room wherever you are.
Right. So you find that, as I said, it was a new tradition. So this is the Victorian era design you're looking at.
Victorian era.
Right.
Victorian era. Nice. What do we have next?
Now we're at the Lingcott bed frame. This particular bed, as you can see, it has soft material, upholstered headboard, perfect for the bedroom where you want a cozy yet elevated look.
I don't know if anybody told you, but this I think is actually like my favorite piece in this place. Here's the reason why. You said it, I don't have the terms that you have with the sling headboard.
Yes.
But for me, I think this piece, when you put it in a room, and as somebody who loves art and decor and that type of thing, it just kind of makes it pop. It just feels like home. And as a pro, I'm going to give a little tip. What I would probably do with this then is the white crisp sheets, because I love white crisp sheets. And then nice throw pillows, and then maybe like a nice little, a little throw to give it that little, yeah man, that little resorty feel.
Yes.
Yeah man, I love that. Okay, this is it for me, and I'm going to tell everybody. I'm telling you, but I'm telling everybody as well. This bed is going to be my house.
I need to write you
It's going to be my house. I guarantee. Some way, somehow, we're going to move heaven and earth, the universe, and we're going to get it done.
And here at Ashley, we can make that happen.
I know, I'm sure. Now, we're off to the lounge section with Amanda, which is one of my favoriteest parts of the house, right? So tell us about this section right here.
Of course, Garfield. So here we have the Popperton sofa chase. Now with this piece, you find that it's functional, especially for those small apartments. You don't have to compromise when it comes on to functionality and comfort. You want me to show you?
Yes, let's go.
Of course. So I want you to pull on that lever right here. Pull out, pop up. Right. And we have the bed.
So, function plus fashion all in one.
All in one.
Sounds like my type of vibe.
Yes. So this is your spot when you're watching TV, right?
No, actually I'll be in the corner
in
right
the corner,
here. So,
of course.
Here, so.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, my spot.
So Garfield, we're on to the Altari sofa and love seat. For this particular sofa, you find that it has clean lines. It's perfect for those large and small spaces.
Okay. You see the thing about what you said a while ago that I really love? You said the fact that it's for large and small spaces.
Yes.
And we all know what apartment living is like in Kingston, yes?
Yes.
In Jamaica? So this will be perfect. And the thing I love about it as well is the color. Because it's like a canvas, blank slate. When I put it in a room, whether small or large, nice floral pillows, put some other pops of colors in terms of my artwork, my accessories. I'm good to go. What you say?
Yes, you make it your own.
Space, you've seen it, don't you?
Right, I am.
You've seen it, don't it? Yeah. Okay, next up, what we have next?
Now on to the dining area, Garfield. So this is the Kendall Moore dining table. It's a versatile piece that actually extends to accommodate 8 persons. It's solid wood, and it's perfect for the entire family and for persons like you that likes to accommodate.
Yeah, I really love it. The rich brown color is like warm, it's inviting, it's elegant, it's on trend. As you say, seats 8, perfect for me. Now, what I want you to tell me is how does it work in terms of
Extending it?
Extending it.
Of course. So there's some clips underneath. All you have to do is to unclamp, push it aside, and then you'll just insert the leaf.
Okay, and then voila, 8
Here,
persons.
8 persons.
Love it. I think this right here is actually a winner with the warm colors, the gray chairs, and the fact that you can expand it to 8 from 6 to 8. What more can you ask for? A winner.
Right here at Ashley. So Garfine, here we have the Burkos dining table, which display clean contemporary lines. It's a showstopper. It also has double pedestal base, a wine rack, and thick tabletop edges. It seats 6 persons perfectly when you're hosting.
Sounds perfect for me. This is actually like a statement. And when I look at it, I really absolutely love these chairs. The gray, perfect. And then I can see for the tablescape, keep it simple. Just like for me, I love fresh flowers. So put the glass here with some fresh flowers. Let the table do the talking.
Great. So whether you're looking for a lounge, bedroom, or dining, just a few of our fresh finds and favorites, come and visit us here at the Ashley Ligani or Fairview branch to look for yourself.
Whether you're shopping online or in person, every piece, a fresh find, a favorite, perfect to transform every house into a home.
Browse our full collection through the link in our Instagram bio or even on our WhatsApp channel.